Good morning. Today we are going to learn how to use split function in Python using regular expression. So split is a function that will returns the string that has been split for after each match. Means so suppose we have a one string. I want to make into split into number of strings. So we have taken one example, import array regular expression. So split the string at every white space character. So the text we have taken is easy way to learn Python is our string. This is our the text string. I want to split after every white space. Whenever the white space comes, I want to make the split the words so that I will get easy one word, easy way to learn Python separately, because after easy we are using space, after way we are using space, after two we are using space, learn space, then after Python also you are using space. Whenever the white space come, the text information is going to be stored in a variable x. So what we have written here, re dot split. When it has to be split, whenever the white space comes in a given string, it has to be split separately. That is stored in a variable x. Afterwards, we are printing that variable x. Then we will get the output after splitting easy way to learn Python separately. Whenever the white space come, it is the given string is splitted. Now just slightly I want to change in the split functions. I want to use only one. I want to make the after the first white space we have to split, means easy has to be split one and the way to learn Python separately we have to split. So when we are using the split function, so text comma 1 means first appearance of the white space we are going to be split. Previous example we had not taken any white space. After the text we are not taken. Here we are using only one white space. The given string has to be split into two. So we will see how we will get the output. So we got the output as I said. After easy first white space is there, it has to be split the previous one and the current, so that it has to be split into two. Easy is one split and way to learn Python is another split. Now we are using one more functions in the regular expression, that is sub. So sub function which replace the matches with the text that you are given by your choice. Suppose I want to replace all white space character by with a digit 9. So wherever the white space comes, I want to replace with the digit 9. So for that we have to write import array. Text we have taken easy way to learn Python, and x is a variable we have written re dot sub. Sub is nothing but it is used to replace the given text by some other. So first what we written, slash s. Slash s indicate the white space appear in your programming language. That is, so in our easy way to learn Python, wherever the white space is appear, that is going to be replaced by 9. So as you can see, the previous example we have taken slash s text comma 1 r directly, but when I want to replace, this is a matching string and this is a replace string, so I can replace white space by 9. So that is going to be wherever the white space is there, we will get number digit 9 that has to be printed. We'll check our output. So this is the output, easy 9, way 9, to 9, learn 9, Python 9, means wherever the white space comes, we are replacing with the digit 9. So I will use the another word by replacing white space now. Now I will replace 9 space 9. So I am replacing with the word 9 by 99. So you will get the clear idea. So before going to that, I will use the white space here also. Now you can see wherever the white space after easy you are using space 9 space 9 two times. So we are using, in this way we will get wherever the white space is there, I can replace by digit, or I can replace by number also, or I can replace by word. Now I am replacing with the white space by star high star. So we will get the output we will get wherever the white space is there star high star. So in this way we can use a sub function in Python. As we used in the normal text, that is while using the split we are use first occurrence. Same way you can also used in the splitting also. Two times I am using text comma two times. Two occurrence of the text, it has to be right. Replace the strings high star. So as you can see, the first starting two white space we are getting star high, and the remaining we are not getting any information. Means even though we can also use number of times, it has to be replace the given occurrence. That is substring has to be replaced. Now we are going to learn there are three more functions comes in your regular expression, that is span, string, group. Span is used to return a tuples containing the start and end position of the matches. String returns the string passed into the functions. Star group returns the part of the string where we want to search any item that has to be identified. First we will use the span. For the span we have taken one example. Search for an uppercase letter A. So we will be searching for the uppercase A character in the beginning of the word and print its position. Wherever the first character A is appear, beginning of the position, we are printing the position of the given string. So that position for identification purpose uppercase letter, we are searching the key. So what we are searching? So just change the string, the rain in the span. We are using the uppercase letter S of the beginning of the word and print its position. So that we are getting the information, we will see it. How we will get the result? So we got the result 12 comma 17. So that what it indicates, it's print the position of the character word whichever we are finding. We are finding the uppercase letter S in the text, the rain in span. So we will get 12 comma 17. How it got the 12 and 17? The position starts with a 0, 1, 2 up to we count. S will be at the position 12, means we got the starting position of the 12 where the word ends. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. 16 is the end position, but the last character will take as a null character, that is also count the position. So that we got the result as 12 comma 17. You can see here we got the result 12 comma 17. So 17 indicate that it's also include the null character. So in this way we are using the span function in regular expression. Now we are in this example we are using the string property that will return the search string. So the given string is the rain in span. So x equal to ra dot search r. So we are using the slash b slash, then we are searching for the character s with a space. So as we are searching for the character, it will not send any position over there. What the string is there, the same it will be printed. So the output will be our rain in the span. We can see the output is same because your string property will return the search string whatever we are searching. So the string function will return whichever the function passed into the. Now we are using the group function. Import array, search for an uppercase letter S character in the beginning of the word and print that word. Text, the rain in the span. So we are searching for the capital S here. We got the capital S. That word should be printed. So x equal to ra dot search. So we are searching for the capital letters. After the white space, the first word should be the capital S. So we are search that word with the capital S, that should be grouped separately. Print x dot group means that only that particular word that starts with the S is going to be printed. So we will get the output as span. In this we will get the result.